Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to save a contact on your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, you're going to tap the call icon. Here, you'll enter the person's number. If you want to save this contact for WhatsApp, first of all, you need to enter the country code. And if there's a state or province code, you should add that right after the country code. And finally, always put the phone number at the end. For example, I'll save a number from Spain. In Spain, we only have the country code, so I'll press 0 to add the plus sign. Every country code starts with a plus. Now you enter the country code, and then you enter the person's phone number, okay? Remember, if this country has a province or state code, after the country code, you should enter that code, and finally, the person's phone number. We click on this plus button, Create New Contact. Now you'll click here and choose where you want to save this contact. I'll save it to the phone itself, okay? And here, then, we'll enter a name for this contact, click Save, and by doing that, the contact will be saved. So that's it for today's video. I hope I helped you. If I did, don't forget to like, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.